Are you a beginner in the stock market, trying to navigate through the sea of investments? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Today, we're discussing the top 3 stock picks recommended by none other than the investing legend himself, Warren Buffett. With over 7 decades of experience under his belt, Buffett's insights are invaluable. So sit back, take notes, and get ready to enter the world of successful investing with Warren Buffett's top 3 stock picks for beginners. Warren Buffett is an American investor, business tycoon, and philanthropist who is currently the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. His advice and investment strategies have made him one of the most successful investors in history, with an incredibly impressive track record. Learning from his investing strategies can provide valuable knowledge and insights for anyone looking to achieve success in the stock market. One of Warren Buffett's long-standing investments is Coca-Cola. Buffett's belief in the company is rooted in its strong brand power and global presence. With a history spanning over a century, Coca-Cola has consistently generated impressive revenues and maintained a competitive advantage in the beverage industry. Apple Inc. is another top pick by Warren Buffett, mainly due to the company's commitment to innovation and strong market positioning. Apple's diverse revenue streams, which include iPhone sales, services, and wearables, make it an attractive investment for long-term growth. Amazon is a prime example of Warren Buffett's long-term investment approach. He views the e-commerce giant as a company with immense growth potential and a bright future. Amazon's diverse revenue streams, ranging from online retail to cloud services and beyond, create a strong investment opportunity for those looking to invest in a single company with multiple growth drivers. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's top 3 stock picks for beginners include Coca-Cola, Apple, and Amazon. These companies have strong market positions, diversified revenue streams, and the potential for long-term growth. It's important for investors to research and understand each investment before making a decision, and by following Buffett's advice, you can begin your journey towards successful investing. That's it for this video. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.